Alright, so I'm working on this Supera refrigerator here, model G1M-23-W-1. Customer complains that the lights on the door here, LED strips, are not coming on when the light switch is in the on position. So what I did is I opened up the box here, pulled out the transformer. This is a AC 120 to DC 24 volt transformer. It is currently being supplied with 120 volts AC and 24 volts DC should be coming out. I've got my leads connected to it right here, right there, and we're only getting 4 volts or so DC. So this transformer here, power supply, is bad. We should be getting 24 volts. We're not. Hope that helps. Bye.